doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to Today's recipe, we're going to make some homemade pancakes, but these ain't your ordinary pancakes. How the sweet potato pancake sounds. That's right, sugar, sweet potato pancakes. These are the bomb.com. They're going to be so simple and easy to make. Going to have full of sweet potato and spice flavors. And once you taste these, you'll be in heaven. A great breakfast and brunch dish and perfect on a cool fall day. So grab your cast iron skillet, your sweet potatoes, and your flour, sugar, because we're about to cook some sweet potato pancake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, let's go ahead and get started on our wet ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of sweet potatoes that I peeled, mashed, and let it cool. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. Y'all know how much I get down with this. 1 egg at room temperature, and I got a double yolk. 2 tablespoons of canola oil. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of orange extract. Give a little hint of orange. And we're going to stir all these ingredients together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up the wet ingredients. Ooh, I can smell the orange extract. Sweet potato and orange is a great combination. Alright, that looks great, and look at that pretty orange color. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the dry ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my bowl I have 2 cups of sun-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons each of white and packed light brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. The link to that video down below in the description box. And we're going to stir all these ingredients together so it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up the dry ingredients. So now we're going to pour the dry into the wet and stir everything until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up my pancake batter. Look how nice and smooth that looks. Well, I love the smell of pumpkin pie spice. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to cook our pancakes. Alright, my friends, I have my cast iron skillet. I got the fire over medium heat, and I'm using butter flavor shortener, or you can use butter or cooking spray. So now we're going to pour our sweet potato pancake into the pan. Alright, my friends, I got my batter into the pan, and you want to make about maybe a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch thick. So now we're going to let our pancake cook for about 5 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Alright, my friends, let's take a look at our pancake. Wish me luck. See how nice and golden brown that looks? Okay, so now we're going to let our pancake finish cooking on the other side for another 5 minutes. And I'm going to finish cooking the rest of my pancakes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my sweet potato pancakes. Don't they look good, nice and golden brown? And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, there's a couple more things I got to add to them. A drizzling of maple syrup and big heapings of butter. Hey! And there you have it, my friends. Sweet potato pancakes. My mouth's watering. Alright, I'm about to give this a taste. About to go in my belly. Ooh, look at that. Lord have mercy. Nice and fluffy. Here we go. Bursting with sweet potato goodness. Ooh, I can taste the orange in it too. If y'all love sweet potatoes and pancakes, y'all will enjoy this recipe. I can taste the spices. Pancake-licious. Well, my friends, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat!